हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम अपने 75 हार्ड चैलेंज में हैं और हमारे साथ हैं न्यू स्टूडेंट। व्हाट इज योर नेम?
ब्रिजभूषण।
ब्रिजभूषण हमारे साथ हैं और ब्रिजभूषण हमारे 75 हार्ड चैलेंज का हिस्सा बने हैं। आई विल आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश, यू हैव टू आंसर इन इंग्लिश। सो आर यू रेडी?
Ready, sir.
आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Excited, sir.
ओके, आर यू इम्प्रूविंग डे बाय डे और नॉट?
Yes, sir. I am improving myself day by
डू
day.
यू एडमायर योरसेल्फ?
Yes, sir. I admire myself.
Okay, that's great. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check your English conversation.
Okay, sir.
Right? First, introduce yourself in just a small introduction.
Okay. My name is Brijbhushan. I am from Saharanpur. I completed my graduation in 2016, and I have a 2-year working experience in a private firm. And I am an optimistic and tenacious person, and I loving listening to music and traveling. That's all about to me. Thank you.
Okay, why English is important in your life? Because you are doing a business, I think. You tell about the business and
Yes, sir.
you are an optimistic person. So why English is important in your life?
Sir, English is important because I am facing some problem whenever some higher educated person come in my frame, and I speaking in Hindi and he is replying to in English. So I need to improve my English and be full of confidence. So that's why I joined this institute.
Okay, that's great. And how much help actually you take from the Howard Institute?
It is helped to me very much and every day, and I am improving myself to day by day, and my confident level is increasing day by day level.
Okay, that's great. And what is your strength?
My strength is I have a 2-year work experience, and I am my brother is helping to my family also. My strength.
My question is that what is your biggest strength?
My
Weak
biggest
point, like
okay.
your strength.
I am hard worker
Okay.
and tenacious, and I am never
That's
give
great.
up and
Never give up.
determined to my work. It is all about my strength.
Never give up is your strength.
Yes,
so
sir.
how you can say never give up your strength? Do you have any example?
Yes, sir. Whenever I face any challenging in my business,
This is
okay.
this is different. Yes.
So I fully check what the possibility to write these things. So that's my strength.
Okay.
And I am not give
also
up easily.
hard working is your strength.
Yes, sir.
How you can say hard work is your strength?
Sir, hard work because it is give me the confidence increase, and I get opportunity, and I never give up. So hard work, everyone do hard work and get success, and I find the right direction also and meet to some other person.
Okay.
To
What is
my
your
goal.
life goal? Do you know about your life goal?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I want to be good businessman, and I will do my business on global level.
Okay, that's great. That's great thing. And what is your dreams?
My dreams, I want to be financially free at the
Financial
age
free.
financially
Okay, that's
free
great.
at the age of 40.
Okay, at the age of 40. And right now, how old are you?
I am 32-year-old now.
32-year-old. That's great. Okay, tell me the one question. Do you know the difference between dreams and goal?
Yes, sir. Dreams maybe that you want to go any other city and explore the world, and goal is what you want to do for your lifetime work. For suppose that many person want to become an engineer, they are doing hard work from childhood to till night and get good job.
Okay, you
In
want to
engineering
become a
session.
fluent speaker. This is your goal or this is your dreams?
This is my goal
How you can say this is your goal? This is not your dreams?
because being a fluency, every person is need to improve on a skill and be confident, and I am stomach very sociable person, and I need to fluency, and I'm improving myself.
Okay, that's great. Okay, let me tell you the difference between goal and dreams. There is no biggest difference. There is a minor difference. If you put on the deadline of your dreams, it become a goal. मतलब गोल पर एक आपका डेडलाइन होता है, आपको इतने दिन में ये काम करना है, दैट इज़ योर गोल. अगर आप किसी काम को करना चाहते हैं, बस आपका वो सपना है कि ये करना है, उस पर आपने कोई डेडलाइन नहीं डाली है, दिस इज़ योर ड्रीम्स. सपने आपके बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं जिस पर आपने अभी तक डेट नहीं डाली है, सिर्फ आपको वो करना है. बट गोल आपका वो होता है जिस पे आपने डेट डाल दी है कि मुझे इतने दिन में ये काम करना है, दैट इज़ गोल. राइट. सो थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर ब्रजभूषण फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन 75 हार्ड चैलेंज. और अगर ये मेहनत आपको पसंद आई है और ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए. मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में. थैंक यू सो मच वॉचिंग दिस.